In other news, Camarines Sur Representative Leni Robredo has accepted the offer to run as Vice President of the Liberal Party standard-bearer Mar Rojas for the 2016 national elections. Nel Mariboc tells us why.
Kaya matapos po ang malalim na pag-iisip, malawak na konsultasyon, at sobrang taimtim na pagdadalangin, buong puso, buong pananampalataya, at buong tapat ko pong tinatanggap ang hamon na tumakbo bilang pangalawang Pangulo ni Secretary Mar Rojas.
Mar Rojas and Camarines Sur Representative Leni Robredo will be the tandem in the upcoming 2016 elections. The candidacy of Robredo as Vice President was announced at the historical Club Filipino in Green Hills, San Juan.
Kina Aika, Trisha at Jillian, napakalaking sakripisyo na ang nabigay ninyo sa ating bansa. Dama ko ang mga agam-agam ninyo sa desisyong ito.
According to Robredo, her family went through a difficult situation before her acceptance of running as Vice President.
Hindi po madali yung paglalakbay namin patungo sa araw na ito. Ang mga nakaraang linggo po, ang pinakamahirap na dinaanan naming pamilya mula noong pumanaw si Jessie. Sa tagal nga po ng prosesong pinagdaanan upang makapagdesisyon, ang kantsaw na po sa akin ng iba sa inyo, nagpapabebe na lamang ako.
Meanwhile, the President has great trust on Marlen Tandem in continuing the reforms started by his administration.
Kumpiyansa ako na lalo pa nilang pabibilisin ang ating paghakbang. Mahirap mang isipin. Nasisiguro kong sa tibay ng paniniwala ko sa dalawang ito at sa koalisyon natin, di hamak na magiging mas masigasig pa ako sa kampanyang ito kaysa sarili kong kampanya ng 2020.
Also, the President warned critics or political enemies from causing trouble for the Robredo family.
Paalala lang sa ating mga katunggali na sanay sa trapong politika. Baka ngayon pa lang, gusto lang guluhin ang ating kandidato si Leni, pahirapan na kailang mga anak. Noong nawala si Jessie, dumami ang mga poster father nito mga batang to. No? Personalan na tayo kung doon kayo ahantong.
It is expected that on Friday, the LP will present their senatorial slate that will run in 2016 national elections. Nel Maribuho, reporting for Y News.
The Liberal Party has moved the schedule of the announcement of its senatorial lineup to Friday. Tardine Basingan tells us why.
The Liberal Party, or LP, is set to declare this week the candidates for its senatorial slate in the 2016 elections. The proclamation was supposed to happen during Congressman Leni Robredo's declaration of candidacy today, but was moved to Friday. LP members say it is because the party is still determining who should be included in the lineup. They also denied that the delay was due to a controversial incident that took place last week in Laguna.
I don't think so. Talagang maraming masyadong nag-a-apply. More than the 12 that is available.
Mas marami kasi yung nag-a-apply kaysa yung posisyon na available. Kaya kailangan talagang pag-aralan at usisayin ng mabuti ang bawat kandidato.
The so-called sexy dance incident, which happened during a birthday party of a Laguna congressman, is still being investigated by Liberal Party members. They are finding out whether the dancers that performed lewd acts were hired by MMDA Chairman Francis Tolentino, a senatorial aspirant aiming to run under LP. Meanwhile, LP members have expressed confidence on the Rojas-Robredo tandem.
Yung pagtanggap ni Kong Leni sa hamon ay lalong magpapatibay na itong tandem na Rojas-Robredo or Marleni ang team to beat sa darating na halalan. Lalo-lalo na sinabi nga ni Pangulo na ganadong-ganado siyang mangampanya para may siguro na yung nasimulan po niyang reforma dito sa ating pamahalaan noong 2010 ay magpapatuloy pagkatapos ng 2016.
Magiging talagang palagay ko kaakit-akit sa mga botante at hindi dalawa, tatlo ang magkakampanya at tatlo na napakataas ng respeto ng taong bayan sa kanilang uri ng paglilingkod. Kaya magiging
Palagay ko, kaakit-akit yung kanilang kampanya sa taong bayan.
Minutes after the declaration, Robredo's children expressed support for her via Twitter. The declaration is also expected to further boost Robredo's rating for the vice presidential race.
Tinatanong niyo yan sa akin noong hindi pa nagdedeklara si Mar Rojas at hindi pa siya ini-endorso ng Pangulo. Nasaan si Mar Rojas ngayon? Palagay ko, ganun din o baka humigit pa.
Darlene Basingan reporting for Y News.